the dollar store today with Jessica Kobeissi, and we're getting props for a shoot. We each have $5 to spend. Let's get started. So we're each shopping separately so that we don't know what the other person chose, and I'm going first.
Right off the bat, I'm super excited about this challenge because a model's best friend during a shoot is the props. Tinfoil and this car shield sun cover is really smart as a reflector, so I'm excited to see how the images come out with this. But as far as playing goes, I'm super excited about the magnifying glass, and believe it or not, I'm really stoked on this brown paper. Not sure what I'm going to be doing with this, but I will be staying hydrated. More things to shoot through. Silly string. Stoked on this.
By now, we're sure you've heard about Squarespace, and for a good reason.
Not only have they been supporting our channel for a long time, we've been happy customers of theirs for years. They make it incredibly simple to get a blog, portfolio, or online store up and running in no time with their beautiful designer templates.
If you run into any problems along the way, they have terrific 24/7 customer support to help you out. And you don't have to worry about updating and installing things because it's an all-in-one platform.
To find out how easy it is to set up your own website and save 10%, head to squarespace.com/mangostreet and use the code MangoStreet at checkout.
No matter what you shoot, it'll look great on Squarespace.
Hit it! That's what I'm talking about. Wait! Okay, now, from the beginning.
Hit it, boys.
Stick it out towards me a little bit more. There you go. Yes, beautiful. Beautiful. There you go. Bring that knee in, there you go. Just like that. Looking straight ahead, straight towards you.
There's a joint on the corner where the big boys play, where the whiskey's running up the river, but they all never come for the booze and bass. I'm the one, I'm the lady that'll rock this place. That'll rock this place. That'll rock this place.
Yeah, that's awesome. Oh, I love that.
You want to kind of wear this one?
Okay, now, from the beginning.
this place. That'll rock this place. That'll rock this place.
We hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to check out Jessica Kobeissi's channel if you haven't already. We did a collab with her again where we shot Strangers for the second time, so be sure to check that out. Like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you next time. I got this mirror. I'm gonna punch out the frame and just use the mirror part of it.
That's really cool.
It just cracked, so.
The mirror cracked? Oh my god.
We're gonna have bad luck for 8 years. I can't afford that.
Just